Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of tuning in, you're welcome. You're welcome to the family. So this tutorial is going to be how you make your own closure at home. So if you want a detailed explanation of how you do your closure, keep on watching.
Welcome to AB Judge.
AB Judge Styles.
This is AB Judge. Welcome to AB Judge. This is AB Judge. Welcome to AB Judge. 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 AB Judge.
So this is the hair I will be using for this tutorial. This is a lace. I'll be using it for the closure. First is to place down your lace on top of your mannequin head, and then you secure it down with a T-pin like so. After doing that, the next thing you do is to cut the weft of the hair like so. Remove the tiny hair on the tips of the hair. Fold the hair into two, and then you start crocheting your lace. You pick 2-3 strands of hair while crocheting. Pull your knit picker through your lace, grab 2-3 strands of hair, and then you create a knot. Pull your knit picker through the lace, grab 2-3 strands of hair, and then you create a knot. You'll be doing this until you get the desired parts. If you have any question on how you do your closure, or you want a more detailed tutorial on this, I have a video already on my channel. You can go watch that, but I'll allow you guys to watch through.
We are meant to be at the few it. Girl, I love your smile and your fine teeth. Soft lips and I feel like to bite it. Asa, mama follow pasa. Nebika call everything balokasa. Mwachuku kelo welu beauty at bossa. Kupo other girls swallow my bone dosa. Sifano wachuku jello one day your bulla mumelo, your bulla kwamo wabelo, no be jemo wa jello. No be say me I do pass them, but it be like say I'm blessed past them. Chukua loka. I promise to be by your side and not gonna leave you lonely, forever and ever. Like you be my queen, baby, go say you my one and only. I want you to be by my side, girl. I'm loving you plenty. Without you around me, girl, you know that I'm empty. If you feel what I'm feeling, my girl, when we're feeling the same thing. Always be here for you, baby, that is the main thing. For better, for worse, baby, I'll be there. In sickness, in hell, baby, I'll be there. Anywhere you go find me there. Anything you do, baby, tell me there. I say, for better, for worse, baby, I'll be there. In sickness, in hell, baby, I'll be there. Anywhere you go find me there. Anything you do, baby, tell me there. You know that I'm counting on you. Of course, I'm believing in you. Know that we are meant to be. More like a song of victory.
After making your closure, it should look like this. So I'll go ahead and show you guys how I made the wig for this particular closure.
I promise to be by your side and not gonna leave you lonely, forever and ever. Like you be my queen, baby, go say you my one and only. I promise to be by your side and not gonna leave you lonely, forever and ever. Like you be my queen, baby, go say you my one and only.
To make the wig, I use this dome mesh cap. I love using this wig cap because it has tiny holes and hair can pass through your hair while you're putting on the hair, the wig. So first is to secure your closure with a T-pin. Then you sew it down on top of the wig cap.
I could die for you. I do anything for you. I go anywhere for you. Yeah, I'm pledging my love for you. I swear I could die for you. I do anything for you. Hey, because not today, yeah, be the day, yeah, I go take you down after all this time. Not today, yeah, be the day, yeah, I go ask you to be mine. I can't wait to see you smile. I promise to be by your side and not gonna leave you.
After doing that, you remove your tape pin and then you cut the excess lace you won't be needing.
Yes, of course I do. This is time to be wife, no longer my boo. Anything what you want, then I go do. Yes, I love you, and I know you love me too. If you dance for me, I go dance for you. Call my fans for me, make them dance for you. All the angels around there, they clap for we. So glorious, finally we made it. Can you hear my heartbeat? That's it. I got this strong feeling, I can't fight it. And when I lose my mind, now you they tight it. And when everything be dark, you they light it. Can you hear my heartbeat? That's it. We are meant to be, I the feel it. Girl, I love your smile and your fine teeth. Soft lips and I feel like to bite it.
When you're done with that, the next thing to do is to cut the wig cap in the particular place you sewed your closure, so that your closure will be visible, like so that your closure will look more natural when you're putting on the wig.
I promise to be by your side and not gonna leave you lonely forever and ever. Like you be my queen, baby, go say you my one and only. I want you to be by my side, girl. I'm loving you plenty. Without you around me, girl, you know that I'm empty. If you feel what I'm feeling, my girl, when we're feeling the same thing, I'll always be here for you, baby, that is the main thing. For better, for worse, baby, I'll be there. In sickness, in hell, baby, I'll be there. Anywhere you go find me there. Anything you do, baby, join me there. I say, for better, for worse, baby, I'll be there. In sickness, in hell, baby, I'll be there. Anywhere you go find me there. Anything you do, baby, join me there. You know that I'm counting on you. Of course, I'm believing in you. Know that we are meant to be. This is more like a song of victory. Baby, aside they put in the ringo.
Now to make the wig, I use ear to ear method. Like you sew your weavon from one part of the ear to the other part of the ear till you get to the top of the wig cap.
On the beat. Black Wall Street from my heart. Shit, I got the edge. Girl, I'm pledging my love for you. I swear I could die for you. I do anything for you. I go anywhere for you. Yeah, I'm pledging my love for you. I swear I could die for you. I do anything for you. Hey, because not today, yeah, be the day, yeah, I go take you down after all this time. Not today, yeah, be the day, yeah, I go ask you to be mine. I can't wait to see you smile. I promise to be by your side and not gonna leave you lonely forever. You be my queen, baby, go say you my one and only. Do you do? Yes, of course I do. This is time to be wife, no longer my boo. Anything where you want, again, I go do. Yes, I love you, and I know you love me too. If you dance for me, I go dance for you. Call my fans for me, make them dance for you. All the angels around there, they clap for we. So glorious, finally we made it. Can you hear my heartbeat? That's it. I got this strong feeling, I can't fight it. And when I lose my mind, now you they tight it. And when everything be dark, you they light it. Can you hear my heartbeat? That's it. We are meant to be, I dey feel it. Girl, I love your smile and your fine teeth. Soft lips and I feel like to bite it. Asa, mama follow pasa. Nebika call everything balo kasa. Mwachuku kelo welu beauty at bossa. Couple other girls swallow my bone dosa. Sifano kwachuku jello one day your bulla mumelo. Your bulla kwamo wabelo. No be ije mo jello. No be say me I do past them. But if you like say I'm blessed past them. Chukwu aloka. I promise to be by your side and not gonna leave you lonely. Forever and ever. Like you be my queen, baby, go say you my one and only. I want you to be by my side, girl, I'm loving you plenty. Without you around me, girl, you know that I'm empty. If you feel what I'm feeling, my girl, when we're feeling the same thing, I'll always be here for you, baby, that is the main thing. For better, for worse, baby, I'll be there. In sickness, in hell, baby, I'll be there. Anywhere you go find me there. Anything you do, baby, join me there. I say, for better, for worse, baby, I'll be there. In sickness, in hell, baby, I'll be there. Anywhere you go find me there. Anything you do, baby, join me there.
So this is the final look of the hair. I'm just trying to comb it out. See how it looks. I made the hair a center party, but here I decided to wear it at the side party to see how it looks on me, and it came out looking really nice, and I love wearing it at the side party. So this is a closer look of the wig. It's looking all natural, and I really love the outcome. There's a side view there. So this is me trying to put on the hair as a center part, and it's nice, but I prefer the side part. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, drop it on the comments box below. Then press the subscribe button to know when I upload a new video. Bye.